What's up guys, my name is Lori from Fruitful Planning. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I have been using 3 Hobonichi Weeks so far in 2019. If that is something you're interested in, please keep watching. So the first one I want to talk about is this one. This one is a memory planner for my son. And what I do is each day, if he said something interesting or if he did something that was interesting and I wanted to remember it, I would just write it down. So sometimes it's one sentence, sometimes it's much longer. I also have one for my daughter as well. So I have one for my son and one for my daughter. On the side of the notes, sometimes what I do is I will decorate it, and there may be a day where it's a lot more detail. And when it's like that, what I'll do is I'll extend the writing to the note side. So I may start writing here and then I may put a little arrow and keep going like this, or I may just write here and then just continue up here. Or as you can see right here, I just put the date there just so that I know, okay, this continues up to here, and I'll just decorate it like that just so it looks nice. I know he's a boy and he doesn't really care much about decoration, but I'm not sure this is something he's gonna want when he's older, so this really is just for me. The second one is my everyday carry. The zoom, there we go. Okay, so this one is just my everyday carry. My main planner is an Hobonichi cousin. So that's where I do like my intense planning, faith, business, home, all of that. But in here, this is just that little planner because the cousin is too big to carry around. For some people, it's not. But sometimes I have 2 toddlers, and so I carry stuff for them. So sometimes it's too much carrying the cousin. So I have this little guy with me. And so in here, as you could see, I just like in my cousin, I do track different things, like I track my morning devotion, things like that. I do also do meal planning in here, and just here on the daily pages, I have my to-do list of different things that I need to do in each day. And on over here, I'll just make random notes, and the decoration or the way that I use it may change week to week. Some weeks I may just have more space for notes over here. Some weeks I may like put the boxes going down here and use that for like maybe cleaning, like what I'm gonna clean, which room, or for example Sunday would be bathrooms, Monday would be the kids' rooms, things like that. So this is my everyday carry. Now I do use the monthly as well, and the monthly is mainly to track my husband's schedule, because every week his schedule is different. So on Tuesdays, when he get his new schedule, he gives that to me and I put it in here, because sometimes we're out and about and he forgot his schedule and he wanted to know what his schedule was, and so I keep that in here as well. Now the next one, this is my gratitude journal. I first started out using it as a wellness planner, but that was something that I wasn't able to really keep up with. But I'm going to show you how I did use it as a wellness planner. I used this kit from, I believe it was Plan for Happy, if I'm not mistaken, but I'll link her down below. I love her kits. I have like a lot of them. So what I did was just simple things like journaling. One of my goals is to journal. Well, one of my goals for 2019 was to journal daily. I haven't done that, but I have definitely increased my journaling. So every day I just have it there reminding me to journal daily. I love tea. So a lot of times for me, self-care for me is just after a long day with the children, I just come downstairs and I just sit on the couch and I have a cup of tea. That's very relaxing for me. Going out shopping, of course, for most of us ladies, that's also very relaxing and a type of self-care. For me also, a lot of my kits, I guess, that I buy are printables. So sitting down and printing and cutting kits, it may seem weird, but for me, that relaxes me. maybe it's because this is something I love and enjoy doing. So I like doing that, so I do that. Over here, I track my sleep because I'm really, really, really bad on my sleep. So I track sleep hours because that's also helps with self-care, is getting good rest. So that's how I use that self-care as a wellness planner. But I have since stopped using it as that, and so now I just use it as a gratitude journal, and I love, love, love using it like this. It helps me a lot. Just every day, I like that the below weekly sections are small, so I don't feel pressure to write a whole lot. So as you can see up here, I just said today I'm grateful for God's grace and mercy. Sometimes it's just something simple, one sentence, while some days it's much longer. Like I may have something happen and I want to like write out all the details of it so I can remember it. So those days I'll write more. So up here you can see this is one of those days where I wrote a lot more because I had a lot more to write. So I'll do that, but that's what I've been using this for, is a gratitude journal, and I love it like that. So that's my third way of using the Hobonichi Weeks. I did want to show you guys this is the cover I got from Staples. Yes, Staples. And in here I actually keep, so I told you guys that I have the weeks for my daughter and also one for my son. So in here, under strings, I just slide in both of them like that. And so at the end of the day, when I go to journal about them, it's just both in one place. And this cover fits both of them perfectly. I love this cover, and I'm planning to get another one. So the pen just fits right there like that. So yes, guys, that's how I've been using the Hobonichi Weeks. They're kind of addicting in a way to, to buy all the cute designs and things like that. But I have been using them so far. I love the Hobonichi. And my channel is new, and it will be focused on the Hobonichi planners. So how I'm using them, different things about them. Like I said, my main planner is a cousin, so I will be showing that in the future as well. So again, if you're new here, I hope you subscribe and join the family. That way you could learn everything that about Hobonichi, and just join me on this journey of just becoming a more fruitful planner.